Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this last minute clown makeup look. So this is going to be technically like a throwback to last year. You definitely don't remember this look, but this is the look that I did last year for my friend's Halloween party. I loved it so much and I really want to wear it again. So we're going to adjust it a little bit, but we're going to do it again. So this is the night before I'm technically practicing this because I usually don't do that. So white contacts from Honey Color, and then I have Maybelline Fit Me's Matte and Poreless Foundation, Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer, does Seen Better Days. Then I use the Hard Candy Highlight and Contour Stick, and I use Rare Beauty's Bronzer Stick. Now that we're all caught up, we're gonna get the paint. My two go-tos for this look is Mehron's Cream Blend Stick, even though I'm gonna be using a brush to apply it, and I also am going to be using Snazaroo's Black Paint because it has never failed me. Hence why I definitely need a new one. It is so bad, but it's still like there. So we're gonna keep it going. And I want this to be a quick one tonight because I've got to get up at like 6 to do this in the morning and it is already 10:30. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be taking the same handy dandy detail brush that I've used this whole month, and I'm gonna start off with Mehron's Cream Blend Stick. So I'm gonna kind of try to keep it the same and pull up my reference photos super duper quick. I want to kind of keep it similar to the other clown looks that I've been doing, where it's like got the underneath ones. I don't want like the huge one underneath my eye. I don't like that. I tend to like smear it during the day and I don't want to mess that up at work because I do have time tomorrow to fix it if I need to, but I really don't want to. I have other things to do. So I kept my eyebrows natural for this one, and we're just going to start off. I'm going to keep the top the same, where I'm going to paint these little triangles. This is kind of like my last minute thrown together costume because I was gonna order one and then I didn't order anything and I was like, oh, I'll be a clown. And then it was Halloween trick or treat last week in my town and I was like, oh my gosh, I have no costume. So I'm gonna wear the same outfit I wore last year. I'm gonna do my nose. So now I'm just gonna start and we're gonna see what happens. And I'm not trying to rush this so much because I don't want to do it tonight. I'm just trying to like keep it down so I don't have to like worry if I oversleep tomorrow. I don't want to spend like 2 hours getting ready tomorrow. Not that this should take 2 hours, but I like that. It looks really good on camera versus in person. These aren't going to be exact. Ooh, should I alternate it? Yeah, then I just did the mouth. I mean, I can do the little dot a while here. Ooh, actually, pause. Let me go back because we should do the eyeshadow next instead before the black. We're gonna go in with e.l.f.'s Cookies and Dreams palette. Any palette with a white and a black shade will do. So I'm just gonna go in. Hopefully this picks it up. We're just gonna pack on white. You'd probably do this beforehand. Oh, it's coming out a little gray, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna keep being messy with it. It is actually like gray. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the black. Trying to keep it on my lid. I don't want to like go out with it. I want it to be more rounded on the outside. And then I think I'm not going to fuss too much about the eyelid. I should go over it with white again or something. But we're going to put lashes on, so you're not even going to see that. You can always go over with like liner if you want to. I just want to keep it simple. My newest Snazaroo is black paint. And I'm going to do the same thing now. I'm going to add in these lines. So they're both the same here, pretty much. And I'm going to do the top part. Okay, so now we've got the general outline. Maybe I should paint my lips on first. I'm going to do that really quick off camera. Hold on. Taking the white paint, I'm gonna outline the black. A little bit trickier because the black paint sticks more than the white. I'm gonna try to outline these little black ones here. Just from like here to here. I think I like how that looks. Okay. I'm gonna go back over the black probably again because I'm kind of being a little messy with this outline. I don't like how this looks so far. It does kind of look like a clown mouth though, so I'm like, I don't hate it. I think I just need to go back in and touch things up with the black paint very quickly. Okay, so I used Profusion's lashes. I'm pretty sure they are. I don't think they switched out. They are the Flutter lashes. Love these ones. And then I'm gonna go in with, I think, a little bit of highlighter. I'm just gonna use this one shade right here in Elf's Cookies and Dreams palette. And I might just use the same brush and just kind of get all the excess off from my eyeshadow. So it's kind of like that not super clean look. I think it might be a little bit too light for me. Anyway, that didn't really do much, I don't think. That's pretty much it. So here's the final look. This is the last video in my Halloween series this month. Thank you so much if you checked out my 31 Days of Halloween series. If you have not, here is the playlist above if you'd like to check it out. It's a mix of makeup, baking, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more content from me. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.